If you're serious about relationship, watch these films together with your partner. Number one, Notebook. Notebook talks about commitment, loyalty, and growing old together. So if you want that touch of loyalty, commitment, and growing old together for your relationship, then you need to see this movie together with your partner. The next movie is La La Land. It's a movie that shows how love and life goals will make a relationship beautiful and yet challenging. You need to see that. Pretty Woman, a 1990 movie. It's a movie that tells you how to connect with your partner, how to connect. It's simply a tale, but you are going to really enjoy this movie. So, if you're learning how to connect with your partner, with your spouse together, then you need to see this movie. It's called Pretty Woman. Crazy Stupid Love. It's fun, funny, about deep love, communication, and growth. Another one is 500 Days of Summer. You can't afford to miss this movie because this movie is going to teach you a lot about communication. You need to see this movie with your partner. It's a way to relax. You will enjoy this movie, trust me. I'm making this movie because a lot of people don't have time to read books anymore. Like some people don't want to read books on relationship again. Either you don't have time, your partner don't have time, you're at work. But of course, you can easily see a movie together or see movie differently, provided you still see it together. Like you can see the movie differently with your partner, but of course, the movie still communicates the same message. So don't miss any of this movie I'm mentioning in this video. Next is Silver Lining Playbook. It's a 2012 movie. You need this movie for a successful relationship. Come on, you need to see this movie with your partner. This movie talks about support, patience, and finding love even in imperfections. Like there is no perfect marriage, okay? So if you really want to strengthen your relationship, your connection with your partner, you need to see this movie. And this one, About Time. About Time is a 2013 movie. This movie talks about appreciating the everyday and every moment that you have with your partner and your spouse. You need to be motivated to really appreciate the moment you spend with your partner. So if you're the kind that you're tired or you are no longer feeling those chemistry when you are around your partner, your spouse, and you're wondering where the spark went to, then you need to see this movie. Okay. Next is The Fault in Our Stars. It's a 2014 movie. See, I'm taking my time to list these movies. Okay. You need this movie. This movie will help you to push through difficult times with your partner. It's going to help you to be patient with your partner, to push through difficult times like you never thought you would. It's okay to see other people pushing through theirs, and of course, that is going to help you a lot. So you better go see that movie. And this one, The Story of Us, my God, is a 1999 movie. Like this movie is going to expose what it means to be married, what it means. And if you're yet to be married, I think you should go and see that movie because it's going to tell you exactly what marriage is about, the ups and downs of marriage, and what it's like to be married. So if you want to test and see. I think this movie is going to help you together. And we have Fireproof, a 2008 movie. Okay, this movie is going to teach you forgiveness and how to. So if you struggle with forgiving your spouse, you need to go see Fireproof. Like I'm posting these pictures up here so that you can actually see the movies I'm talking about. They are old movies, they may not be new movies, but you need to get back to these movies because these movies are going to inspire you a lot. Okay, sometimes you may not have time to read books, to sit down and read a whole chapter, two chapters. It's okay, read if you can, but if you cannot, if you're addicted to movies or you prefer watching films, I think you should take advantage of that and watch these movies. They're going to help you. Another movie that is very interesting is Relationship Goals. You need to go see this Relationship Goals movie. It's a new movie and you are not going to regret seeing that. Beautiful Sunrise is a 2009 movie that you can learn how to connect, feel good, feel chemistries, in your relationship. It's going to help to spark the love alive again. And don't jump this movie called Relationship Goals. It's one of the latest movie, okay? But you need to go see this movie. This movie is going to really wake up some butterflies in your body for your relationship. Okay, invest in your relationship, and one of the ways to achieve that is by seeing good movies with your partner. So when you see the movie, also encourage your partner to see the movie as well. You can see it together or differently depending on the time that you have for yourselves, but make sure that as you see the movie, your partner is also seeing the movie because that is going to help you improve your relationship skill in the way you communicate, in the way you relate, in the way you love yourselves and build your lives together. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and you can tell me what you think about these videos. And you can even mention more videos that strengthen relationship, especially the latest ones, because I went to the, I went back to the old days to get those movies. I'm telling you about. You don't know that these movies are existing, but they are existing. So find them and watch them. And don't forget to subscribe. My name is Esther Christian.